I'm literally here to debunk the myth that you need a morning routine. As you can see, there's a Starbucks in my hand. My bed is not made. I have a fan in the camera, and luckily, if I can point to it, the closet is halfway open. Now, I'm here to literally debunk the myth of morning routines because I believe that BS and all the people that are selling you BS on how to sell courses, even though I have a course to improve your life if you're a gamer. Links in the description if you want to go see that. You don't need a morning routine where someone's having a shower right now. You don't need a morning routine where you wake up, journal, work out. Actually, no. Working out's a good idea. Either work out before work or school or after school or your job. I work out after. Not saying it's better, but I do that because I wake up around 2 a.m. every single day. So for me, waking up early is pretty much impossible because for me to wake up early, I would need to wake up at 1 a.m. or even midnight and go to my gym. For me, it's not feasible. For you, it might be feasible, but not for me. The only important thing is as long as you get your workout in, that's all that really matters. A lot of times we see influencers online and they're like, oh, my morning routine is meditate, do a detox, do a spa treatment, do a cold shower, meditate for 30 minutes. What's another common one? Sit outside in sunlight for half an hour, meditate for 20 minutes, go for a 30-minute walk, and next thing you know, their morning routines are like 1, 2, sometimes 3 hours long. I'm gonna tell you literally what my morning routine was today. I woke up around 6:30 a.m. because I didn't set an alarm today because today I didn't have work. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to sleep in because I haven't slept properly for a few weeks. And I literally went down, got Starbucks. It's like a 5-minute walk for me. Got my Starbucks, came back, sat down, had a piece of toast, and I'm here at 7, nearly 7:30. So within 1 hour, I'm already at my job. I didn't do anything special. I just went Starbucks, got a coffee, had some bread, and I was like, hey, I need to make a YouTube video today. Why? Because it's important for my content creation / my business, which is my course, which is my link of description for the school community. If you're a gamer and you want to improve your life, that's literally the only morning routine you need. There's no fluff. For me, a good morning routine is not meditate, shower, walk for 30 minutes, do barefoot, look at crypto markets or whatever. It's none of that. It's literally do what you need to do and do what's important. That's it. That's the bare bones basic. I don't know why everyone's becoming so famous for these ridiculously stupid multi-millionaire routines where they do 50 things and they wake up at 3 a.m. and they didn't do any work until 9 a.m. It's been 6 hours. What have you done for 6 hours? That's really important. Nothing. Me, within 1 hour, I literally woke up and I'm still slightly tired, to be honest. But I was like, I need to make YouTube videos. For me, that's the important thing of the day. For you, if you're a gamer and you need to go to your job, maybe don't play games when you wake up. For you might need to go to school. Don't play games when you wake up. Or your phone might be distracting you. Don't hop on your phone when you wake up from bed, because this is what I do. The only time I literally hop on my phone is when I've already hopped downstairs, turned on my car to let it heat up, made some coffee, and while I'm sipping my coffee, because I don't like cold coffee, I play on my phone for maybe 5-10 minutes. Then I head upstairs, brush my teeth, get in my car, and leave. Sometimes I do it within 20 minutes of waking up. For me, I have an hour commute. For you, you might not have an hour commute. So figure out what's important and literally just do it. Because doing stuff like going for a drive, doing barefoot, whatever it is that a bunch of these influencers say, if you do them, ask yourself, is it really, really going to make a difference in my particular life? If you need to make YouTube videos, go make YouTube videos. If you need to go to your job, go to your job. If you need to go to school, go to school. That's it. That's the only morning routine you need. It's not hard. It's very bare bones basic. And hope you enjoy this quick 6-minute video of me pretty much drinking my Starbucks because I didn't want to make coffee today, and rambling on very don't need a morning routine. Hopefully this helped. If you got any questions or you just disagree with what I say, dislike the video, comment a disgruntled comment, or if you like the video, like it, subscribe, share with your friends, check out my Instagram and all that sort of stuff. Links are somewhere here or down in the description, and check out my school community if you want one-on-one help, where I help you improve your life, even if you're a gamer, because I still play games but I still get shit done. That's the really important thing there is. You're welcome.